Back. I'm here with a delicious recipe, and I have hot water already ready for us. And we're going to be starting off with our lemon liftoff. Super yummy. And try to go a little fast so I won't waste your time, your precious time. We're going to do half a teaspoon straight in there of the lemon tea. Just our lemon tea. We're going to be putting 1 pack of our beauty booster. If you have the canister, you can put 1 scoop in there. It's the same equivalent. So, same thing. Give it a little stir, just like that. We're going to be doing 1/4 of a teaspoon of our strawberry kiwi beverage enhancer. This is Herbalife product, so get with your distributor on that. Super yummy. We're going to get our Mayor Lemon Raspberry Skinny Syrup, and I'm going to use the cap as a measurement. We're going to be doing 2 of those straight in there. You could do 1 if you like, if you want something not on the sweeter side. Give it a good stir. Now that we have our ice in there, let's add water. Just up to there. And then we're going to add this. All this is lemonade. I pre-made this. This is just lemon juice squeezed in here. And I added this mango skinny syrup as our sweetener. This is sugar-free. But it works as my sugar. And this is my lemonade, a mango lemonade. So just pour that right over the top. As you can see, so yummy. And we're gonna go ahead and get one of our chamoys. You can do tamarindo. Pour some right in there. That ice is right in my way, but okay. It's okay, right? I'm just gonna pour it on half of it. Then I have my little one slobbering my cup. So here you have it, guys. I hope you guys recreate, enjoy this. Tag me, please. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Share my video if you like. And another thing, guys, look at these gorgeous cups. Aren't these just gorgeous? Look at this. Really, really cute. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link below of the girl who did this for me. Sorry if you can hear my dog in the background. She does amazing work. My little girl wanted this, so super nice for my tea. I actually used one for my coffee, which there should be a video up already on that. But anywho, if you guys need a nice little teacup for your tea or anything like that, I'll leave her link down below. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.